I've been seeing a really interesting phenomenon lately. I've had a few clients come to me. They have hired divorce counsel but do not feel heard or represented and are not happy with their counsel. Now, there can be many, many reasons for that. But what I have seen, interestingly, is that these are people that hired attorneys that are very similar in personality to their spouse. And it's when the spouse tends to be a very overpowering individual, perhaps bullying, emotionally abusive. It seems that the tendency is to go hire an attorney that you think will be able to combat the personality of your spouse. But what in fact happens is that you are feeling intimidated and don't feel that you can advocate for yourself because you're intimidated by your attorney who reminds you of your spouse. And I think it's really, really important that you are your own advocate. And if your attorney is not listening to you, or you're feeling intimidated, or you don't feel like you can tell your attorney what you need to get through the negotiations, then perhaps you need to consider alternate counsel. And that's a really big decision, and there are a lot of costs involved. But it's so important that you are divorcing your spouse. You don't want to be in a relationship with an attorney who's going to take you through this often very long process. Now, if you will, married to someone who is your attorney in the sense that is just like your spouse. So if you're really torn about that decision and you really are starting to feel that you're not being heard but you're just not sure, schedule a free consultation. We can talk about it at my website, thedivorcierge.com. I'll see you next week.